guys, welcome back to our channel. And if you don't know our channel's name, so it's MohanishPrerna. So I want to tell you a cool thing. We got this back, and guess what's inside? It's a DJI Mini 2 drone. So I'll tell you how much a drone can fly in the USA. When you have a drone, you need to have license. And the first things you need to know that when you fly it, you have to be down from 400 feet. Because if you go higher than that, the connections will not be properly, and then your drone can crash into anything like cars or even humans. So let's open this guy up. Holy guys, there's super duper many things, and the main part is the drone. So this is the Mini Mavic 2 drone, and it's very cool. It has a 4K and it weighs 240 pounds, like grams. So the cool part is that when you like have it, and then when you like do like this, it's very light. So it's a little sensitive, and it can even it looks like it's broken, but actually you can open this up. So we have the DJI Mini Mavic 2 there, and then we can open this one, and then when you open it, so you'll see these batteries here. Let me open it again. So these are the batteries, okay? So in this whole case, there are 3 batteries, 1, 2, 3, okay? And this is how the batteries looks like. This is how the battery looks like, okay? And then this is a charging hub. And you see this, if you just power it on, you can see how much charging it is. This is 100%, this is 100%, this is 99%. Okay, and there, if you want to charge your phone, if like iPhone or phone, if your iPhones or phones is dead, the charging, you can just pull the plug here and then connect to your iPhone or phone. Then this battery or this will give the battery to your like phone or iPhone. So, and this is the charging hub where you put the charging thingy. Okay, we got this up. Okay, so the next part is this hole. Okay, so let's open it, and I think it's gonna be cool. Oh yeah, these are the knobs that you put on the remote control of the DJI Mini Mavic 2. Okay, let's flop this back, and let's get this guy up. So there are 2 of this that you put on the Mini Mavic's remote control. And since these are for the remote control, I will show you how the DJI Mini Mavic remote controller looks like. And when you will see it, guys, it will be amazing. At the first part, it's like this DJI Mini Mavic 2, but it's actually cooler. So let's begin. So we'll close this guy up, okay? We put it back here. We get this guy, and you know what's this? This is the remote control. And to check its charging, you just plop here, just press one time, and then you can see how much battery it is. So it's 100%. And this, when you pull this, you can put your iPhone here. And you know the hubs I was talking about, they were this ones. So you plop these out because we are gonna fly it. And then you'll see that at the bottom, there's these things. So you plop them, and then you fix it. Like, like mechanics fix cars or many other things. So let's get this both. So see, this one's where I got it. So I can't put this over there. I have to put this over here because it's like left and left. So, and I want to tell you this. See, this is the charging hub where you put it so the remote control can get charged. So let's take this guy up, and then we can just simply add it like this. Oh, sorry, it fell. Very good. Okay, so now we have these working on. Okay, so the next part is we are almost done. Okay, so we just need to plop this open. Now it's the opening time. Okay, so we are gonna open the DJI Mini Mavic 2. So let's open this. So the first part, you need to open this. And make sure you open this. And you have to open this, or else when you fly it, sometimes these will like from the force of flying, this glass will break plastic, and it will hurt the gimbal. So let's get this on. So only get this up here first. Don't get the bottom, or else it will be stuck like that. So now it's not broken. You guessed that. Let's get these guys opened. Yay, we got the DJI Mini Mavic 2 opened. Okay, so at the back, there's this. And before you get a DJI Mini Mavic 2, you need to put a SD card here. And if you don't have like a battery case like this, like this, then you when you will buy it, you'll not have like this, or not like this package too. So you can get one of this and one of that, and then one of the charging ones and the remote control. So you put this over there, and if you don't want to charge these, so you just plop it right in, and then use the charging cable right there, so it can be all charged up. Okay, so I'll put the DJI Mini Mavic 2 there, and then I'll plop up one of these batteries. Yay! And then we got the DJI Mini Mavic 2, and you see this, there's a hole in this. You open it, guess what? This is the inside. And see, when you open this, see, you have to, where the sticker is, the black sticker, you have to put it like that. So the black sticker will be up. And then when you press it, you need to hear a clink. When you do like this, just don't leave it like open. It needs to make a clink, okay? We are all ready, almost ready. So at the last point, we need a phone or an iPhone. Okay, so I got the phone, and then I will just get this, and I'll just plop it in like, it's so hard. Yeah, and make sure you do like this. And I want to like this, okay? You see this curve, you just add it like this, okay? And make sure if you're like Android or any iPhone or phone, and if it's not charged, there's a simple way. The remote control is smart to sense your phone, and then it will directly charge it if your phone's or iPhone's battery is low. So let's get this thing. So it got up. So you press and then hold it at this point, and then it should be blinking. And then what you do, the first thing you need to get, it has to be a DJI app, okay? So and then you have this screen, and then what you do, take the Mini Mavic 2. At the bottoms, I will tell you, these are sensor. So if your hand comes like this, it will directly go up. Here is the charging point. You press and then hold it. It should make a noise, and then the gimbal will start moving like this automatically. And then when it reaches that point, you put it here, and there's at the back light, okay? Guys, I forgot to tell you my name. So my name is Hitarth, and I am the youngest pilot to drive this drone. So that is so cool. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see, you can do like this, or for a simple way, you can press and hold this. But I will use this because I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna fly it. Take off. It took off, okay. So guys, wait, let me bring it some down and see this. See that? I told you you can't do that. So guys, I'm going to make a go fly up. Holy moly. And guys, I want to tell you, there's a synthetic mode and normal and sport mode. So I did it in synthetic mode, so it doesn't hurt anybody. Cinematic mode, so it doesn't hurt anybody. Let's go fast, guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go up at the sky. Look at the view. Look at the view. And wait, let me show where we are. Okay, guys, let me make the gimbal to go down. Okay, there we are. Hello. And see, if you want to move the gimbal down, you use this. This is how to make the gimbal up. And this, if you do like this right one, then it will make the gimbal down. Okay, so let's go fly this thing. Okay, you see that? There's a playground right there. Okay, so let's fly up, okay? Let's fly more up. I don't think so, we can. Okay, it's getting more crazy. Guys, take a high with him. Woo, hey, buddy. Okay, guys, here we go. Boom. Guys, this is getting amazing. Okay, guys, it's getting very cool. Okay, let's make it up and then go like that. Oh, holy moly! It's going up! Oh my God, look at that. Look at that style. Ooh, look at that spinny. Let's bring it down. Ooh, so fast. Let's make it a race, buddy. 3, 2, 1. Make it sports mode. Let's see how much fast it goes. Holy moly, holy! It goes so fast. I did it in cinematic mode again. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool, buddy. Yeah. You want to take some rest? Guys, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can like put in the comments or type in the comments. And then thank you for watching this video again. So I will meet you at the next video. Bye bye. Say bye bye, DJI Mini Mavic 2.